screen, we have gravity induction to convert the digitals for easier installation. Because usually we have different sides of glass door, right or left. For example, right now is this side. You can see the digitals is in this direction, right? Okay. So for other doors, if we want to change the direction, we need to disassemble the lock and assemble again. It's very complex. So the easy way for this model is just turn around, open the battery case. As you can see, we are using 4-piece F-line battery. Sorry. 4 is this side, right? Now we need to change it into this side. We put it down and insert the battery again. Now it's conversed, and you can see the digitals is conversed. In this way, we don't need to disassemble the lock for different direction of glass door.